Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to do a hard reset on Oppo A17. So let's do it. So to do that, first you need that your phone to be power off, and to hard reset your Oppo, just push and hold volume down and the power button until you will see Oppo logo on your screen. So let's do it. Volume down and power button. Keep pushing. Now remove your fingers and wait for a few seconds. And now select your home language. I will select English, and to do a hard reset you need to format data. Just press here, and now you need to enter a verification code. And now format data, all user data will be reset. Okay, just tap format, and now you need to wait for a few seconds. And data is formatted, just press OK, and now you need to wait for I don't know, maybe a minute until your phone will restart. And now I'm back, and all that you must do is the initial setup. Just select your home language and press next. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.